Hi everyone, it's Andrea from Movers and Bakers. Today I'm going to share with you how I make my limoncello cupcakes. These are beautiful fluffy lemon cupcakes topped with a limoncello syrup and then a beautiful swirl of limoncello flavoured buttercream. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's get baking. So to start with, I'm going to pop my sugar, this is caster sugar, into my mixing bowl. I'm using my trusty KitchenAid today to help me out. And before I put my butter in and mix it up, I like to put the zest of my lemons. I'm using 2 lemons today. I'm going to zest these directly into the bowl and just give it a quick mix before I get adding my butter. And that's my 2 lemons zested. Now what this is going to do is, by mixing it with the sugar and by zesting it directly over my bowl, I'm not just getting the zest of my lemons in, but I'm also getting any extra oils that the lemons give off while I'm zesting. And that's just going to really add to the beautiful zingy lemony flavour of my cupcakes. So I'm just going to give that a very quick turn around. That's it, that took about 10 seconds. I'm going to scrape my bowl down, make sure all this lovely lemon and the zest and the oils you can see on the side of my bowl get included in my mixture. And once I've scraped it down, I'm going to add my butter in here as well. Right, and then we're going to mix this up until it goes really lovely and soft and fluffy. So once your butter and sugar mixture has gone really quite pale compared to the butter and it's looking really lovely and fluffy, it's time to start adding our eggs in. So before I do that, I'm just going to scrape my bowl down just to make sure that every single last bit of this gets incorporated when I put my eggs in. So I'm just going to give it a very quick scrape down. Just like that. And now it's time to add our eggs. So we're going to add 3 eggs in, but I'm going to do them one at a time and beat in between each one. And that's because I want to make sure they're really well combined before I add the next one. And once you've mixed it all in, don't worry if it looks a little curdled, it'll come together when we add our flour. Before we add our flour, I'm going to add some limoncello. I'm just going to add a tablespoon's worth, just because I want some extra lemony punch and I love the flavour of this stuff. So just a tablespoon of it is going in now. And I'm going to give that another quick mix around. And that's it done. So the last ingredient left to add now is my flour, but I am going to sift it in. So I'm just going to give my bowl a quick scrape down so I don't get any drips. So into my bowl, I'm going to sift in my flour. This is self-raising flour I'm using today. All that in. And while I'm sifting this in is a really good time to remind you to like this video and to hit that subscribe button if you enjoy my videos. Perfect timing. So back under here it goes. We're just going to give it one final mix and then we are ready to go in the oven. So while I've been making my cake mixture, before I lined a cupcake tin with cake liners, with muffin liners. So that's ready to go. And I've also had my oven preheating. So it's been preheating at 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. And we are good to go. So that's just taken a couple of mixes through and you can see my cake mixture is looking absolutely beautiful. Before I put it in my cupcake liner, I'm just going to go around one last time, get any flour or anything else that didn't get mixed in and just stir it through my mixture. Right, so it's time to pop these in my muffin case. So I have here an ice cream scoop and I'm going to use this today just to make sure I get an even number of cake mixture in each of my muffin cases. You can use a couple of spoons if you want, or if you're good at eyeballing it, go with that way. But this is the way that works best for me, so this is the way I'm going with. So just a scoopful and I'm just going to pop it in. And then once these are all full, they're going to go in my oven and I'm going to bake them for 18 to 20 minutes until they are springy to touch, so they bounce back when I push them down and they are completely cooked. And while they are baking, we are going to get making a lovely syrup to go on top as soon as these come out the oven. So while my cupcakes are baking, I'm going to make a syrup to go on top of them when they come out of the oven. So for this, I'm going to use one of the lemons that I zested for my cupcakes earlier, and I'm going to cut it up and squeeze it into a saucepan. So you want the juice of one full lemon. And once you have got your lemon juiced, we're also going to add some caster sugar to this. And once you've got your sugar in there, it's time to turn it up. So I'm going to bring this mixture up to a boil, and then I'm going to cook it just until my sugar is completely dissolved. And that's it, it's all done. So I brought it to the boil and then I've simmered it for a minute or so, just to make sure that all my sugar was really well dissolved. And I can see it's still warm, but I can see it's starting to thicken and turn into this beautiful, thick, lemony sugar syrup. So to that, I am now going to add some more limoncello. This time I'm going to add a little bit more, and what this is going to do is it's going to soak into the cupcakes once the cupcakes are baked, and we're going to get this gorgeous, moist limoncello flavoring all the way through, really prominent all the way through. So I'm going to be generous today, and I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of limoncello in. You can never have too much of a good thing, can you? And give that a mix through as well. Oh, that smells so amazing. Right, and that is now ready for when my cupcakes are going to be out of the oven. And as soon as they are out, I'm going to pop them onto a cooling rack, and then they're going to get brushed really generously with this gorgeous syrup. So my cupcakes are out of the oven. I've put them onto a cooling rack, and before they cool down completely, while they are still warm, I'm going to use the syrup that I have just made to brush them. And what this is going to do is it's going to keep them lovely and moist, but it's going to infuse them with that beautiful flavor of limoncello and extra lemon. And the reason I like to do it while they're still warm is because the cakes are much better then at absorbing the flavors and the liquid without it becoming soggy. So you need to do this whilst it's still warm. Just give it a really generous brush with this lovely syrup, and then leave them to cool completely before we do our buttercream. Right, so my cupcakes are cooled. It's time to make our buttercream. So it's a basic buttercream mixture that I'm going to do today. It's butter and sugar, but I'm going to add a little bit of limoncello, of course. Right, to start with, I'm going to give my butter a really good beat to get it really light and fluffy before I start adding my sugar in. So once your butter has gone quite pale and quite soft like that, we're going to start adding our sugar in. Now I'm just going to add my sugar in a couple of additions and then just mix slowly to get it combined. So generally, as a rule, when you make butter icing, you will use double the amount of sugar to your butter. And that's exactly what I'm doing today. So that's about half my sugar mixture gone in. I'm going to give that a very slow mix just to get it all combined. And that's just going to help me not have a lovely cloud of icing sugar go everywhere. Once you've combined most of that, we're going to add the rest of it in. And same again, mix it up. So once you have got everything combined, we're going to scrape our bowl down, and then I'm going to add in my favorite ingredient in this recipe. Now that I've scraped my bowl down and I'm ready to go, my ingredient that I'm going to add in is, of course, some more limoncello. If you want to skip this bit of limoncello, you can just add some more lemon juice, but these are limoncello cupcakes, so we need more limoncello, right? So I'm going to start with a tablespoon, and we'll mix it up and see how we go. And if I feel like I need a little more, or we just need a bit more decadence, we might get a bit more in there. So we'll start with that first. And once you are happy with the consistency of your buttercream, it is time to pop it into a piping bag. So all my icing is in my piping bag. And in the bottom of my piping bag, I have a Wilton 1M nozzle. So it's a closed star kind of nozzle. So give it a little squeeze, get it to start coming out, and then we are ready to pipe out our buttercream. So I like to start in the middle and then go round to the outside and swirl upwards. And just keep the pressure nice and steady on your piping bag, and then push down gently at the end, and you are done. There is your beautiful limoncello cupcake, all lovely and decorated. And the only thing remaining is for a little segment of lemon to go in. And then all I'm going to do is I'm just very gently going to push it into the side of my icing. And there you have it. How gorgeous do they look? Hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to let me know if you tried these limoncello cupcakes yourself. And if you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button too. Thanks for joining me today, friends. Happy baking. See you next time.